Hello, sir. This is my dog, Play-Doh. Say hi, Play-Doh. Happy birthday!
Get the apple.
Fire good. Bye. I'm going to go get a haircut. What do you think of this haircut?
The weapon gun! He's coming.
Yo, what do you got winning on Sunday Night Football tonight? The Steelers or the Cowboys? I'm taking the Steelers. Please let me in so we can watch it. Package. This isn't a bomb. This is a package. We got a package. This is not a bomb. Hello, ma'am. Do you have a moment to talk about our new religion? Convert. Hi, little doggy. You're so cute. Hi, little doggy. Ding, ding, ding. My dog now. Cheeseburger? Sure. Ooh, free bottle of Burners. Don't mind if I do. They're magically delicious. Oh.
It's pizza time!
Want a Sprite cranberry?
Want a Sprite cranberry?
I would love for a Sprite cranberry,
Wait, what?
but I already have one.
It's the thirstiest time
Of the year. Hey. Yeah. Man.
That was scary, bro.
You almost fell.
I did. Stop eating a camera, Yanni. Let me do it too.
This is not spicy at all. This bulldog ramen is not spicy. I never wanted to hear that. Let's try this.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Trick or treat? Dave's Hot Chicken. Happy birthday! Hello, I got some Kelsey mix. I was just wondering, I know this guy, this is Taylor's boyfriend. Who the heck is this guy? How do you know? Don't tread on me.
Yeah! Since it's fall, I'm gonna take you to Leaf World. Oh, sure is leafy out there, huh?
I'm YP. I'm YP the cameraman, and this is my highlight reel. Did you eat all my candy? Bark, 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 bark. LeBron James. Who is that? Oh, wait, this can't be. Who is this guy? Get out of here! Get out! Moo! Moo! Moo. Hey, I know it's 6 a.m., but I just want to show you my dances. Obama, Obama, Obama.